Yes, we can begin now.
Okay. Namo Namaha Sarvebhyah. So we have gathered here today for the Subhashitam session. Today we'll be focusing upon the first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, that is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. We'll start it with after a short prayer. Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadhanam Dhyayet Sarvavignopashantये Manikya Veena Mupalalayantim Madalasam Manjula Vagvilasam Mahendraneelatyatikomalangim Matanga Kanyam Manasas Smarami Shrutismritipurananam Alayam Karanalayam Namami Bhagavadpadam Shankaram Lokashankaram. So let's move ahead. And the first shloka of Dhyana shloka of the Bhagavad Gita tells us exactly about this. Pardhaya pratibodhitam bhagavata narayanena swayam vyasena gratitam purana munina madhye mahabharatam. So Bhagavad Gita is a discourse between Arjuna and Krishna. Lord Krishna, Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. So Lord Krishna is none other than the avatar of Lord Mahavishnu. So he himself, Lord Vishnu himself, imparted this knowledge to Arjuna, and Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata. And in the written form, it was written by Vyas Bhagavan. So let's start with Pradhamodhyayaha, which is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. This chapter is all about Sanjaya narrating the course of war to Dhritarashtra Maharaja. Sanjaya Sanjaya is the minister of Dhritarashtra. He has a vision, like he can foresee. He got that boon from Vedavyasa Maharshi, and he narrates the Mahabharata war to the Dhritarashtra Maharaja, and Duryodhana addresses Drona. Both armies they get ready for the battle. Arjuna's survey of the enemy, and Arjuna's words of despondency, and his grief at the evils of war. First chapter consists of all of this. So let's start with the first shloka. Dhritarashtra Vacha. Okay, does anyone want to recite the shloka?
Can I try?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
That's great. And does anyone, any other one want to recite it? You can feel free.
Yes, if any of you feel that it is too difficult, you can maybe say one line at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, Ananya, I think you should.
Yeah. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. So Dhritarashtra said, "What did Pandu's sons and mine do when they assembled together on the sacred plain of Kurukshetra, eager for battle, O Sanjaya?" So here Dhritarashtra Maharaj is asking Sanjaya, what are Kauravas and Pandavas doing in the Kurukshetra? So Kurukshetra it is flourished in the name of Kuru Maharaja. Kuruvamsa has flourished in the name of Kuru Maharaja, and he had performed a yagna, so that place is called. It got a name of Kurukshetra. And if you observe, like Vyasa Maharshi, he started the Bhagavad Gita with the word dharma. Dharma is something we all should practice. And in the Gita, as Krishna Paramatma emphasized, Dharma samsthapanardhaya sambhavami yuge yuge. He said that he will be born in every age to establish the dharma. So it is the most important wealth for mankind. And that is the reason land of Bharat is also termed as Dharma Bhumi.
Now, would someone like to recite? Okay, I'll call you guys out. You can say whether you want to or not. Arubhi, would you like to?
Hello.
Yes.
Uh, can I recite the next one, please?
Sure.
Right now I'm just kind of my father has called me, so I'm listening
Sure,
to the
sure,
meeting.
sure.
And the next one, I'll pakka raise my hand, but I'll do a single, the guided version of it, not the solo.
Sure. Sure, sure.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So, anyone else would like to recite? Ganesh, maybe you? Okay, no problem. Uh, from the other society ID, is it Sachit who has joined or Vidhatri?
Vidhat.
Okay, I'll then. Would you like to recite Vidhatri?
Okay. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
That was brilliant. Anyone else would like to recite? Guys, don't be shy. Yes, Ritik.
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेदायुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्च किं कुर्वत संजय.
That was nice, very nice. Two improvements that you can make. Dharma kshetre, ksha, not cha. The second improvement that you can make is samaveta. There should be a in middle of ma and va. Samaveta. Anyone else would like to recite? I see no one, so maybe we can move on to the next slide. Okay, Arubi is here.
Uh, Actually, I popped in right now to. Okay, can I do a guided version of it, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll follow along.
धर्मक्षेत्रे
धर्मक्षेत्रे
कुरुक्षेत्रे
कुरुक्षेत्रे
समवेता
समवेता
युयुत्सवः
युयुत्सवः
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवः
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवः
मामका
मामकाः
मामकाः
मामका
पाण्डवाश्चैव
पाण्डवाय पाण्डवाश्चैव
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 किमकुर्वत
किमकुर्वत
Sanjaya.
Sanjaya.
Mamakaः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjaya.
Mamaka Pandavascheva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Now the whole thing. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
Okay. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवैश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. I'm sorry if I pronounce something wrong.
That is actually very good.
Thank you.
Also, others, if someone pronounces good, please give reactions for the same to encourage the person. It was actually good.
Thank you. पांडवाश्चैव ठीक है.
पाण्डवाश्चैव.
पांडवाश्चैव ठीक है. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Anyone else who would like to recite? Okay, I think not. So maybe we can move to the next slide.
Yeah.
Yes, please continue, Ananya.
Anyone would recite this first? Okay, I'll go ahead. Sanjaya uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjaya said, having seen the army of the Pandavas drawn up in the battle array, Prince Duryodhana then approached his teacher and spoke these words. So here, Duryodhana, after seeing the army of the Pandavas, he goes to his teacher, that is Dronacharya, and says the next 9 shlokas are spoken by Duryodhana. So if anyone wants to recite this, you can.
May I try?
Yeah, please.
Thank you. Sanjay उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसङ्गमय राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्. Okay, I made a mistake, so I'll repeat it. Sanjay उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसङ्गमय राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
Yeah, that's great. Ritik, yeah, go ahead.
संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनं ब्रवीत्.
That's great. And it is Acharya Mupa Sangamya. Acharya Mupa Sangamya.
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
Sangamya.
संगम्य.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does anyone else want to recite the shloka?
Many people have joined, but I think they are. Yeah, Virendra.
Yeah.
Okay, I think he's Anyways, anyone else would like to recite?
Guys, don't hesitate to recite. It's okay if you do mistakes. Let me try.
Okay.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
That was very nice. Yes, Neha.
सञ्जयोवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गमयन् राजा वचनं ब्रवीत.
That was nice. Anyone else would like to recite? Anyways, we can. You, Ananya, you may continue.
Okay. I think we should also see the individual meaning of the individual terms.
Yes.
Like, would you do that? Or shall I try?
You should go ahead.
Okay. So Sanjaya Uvacha, Sanjaya said, Drishtva, on observing. Vignesh, please correct me if I'm wrong anywhere.
Sure.
On observing. But Pandavanikam, it's the Pandava army, Vyudham, standing in a military formation, Duryodhana tada, King Duryodhana then, like he then goes to Acharyam Upasangamya, Acharyam teacher, Upasangamya, like he approached his teacher, who is Dronacharya, Raja, the king, Vachanam, words, Abravit, he spoke. And what he spoke, we'll see that in the next 9 shlokas. Can I move ahead?
Yes. A few points here, grammatical points. The explanation was mostly correct as per my knowledge. You can see the word Drishtava here, all of you guys. So Drishtava is in Aktva Kridanta Pratyaya. So it means after seeing. Similarly, there is Upasangamya. So Sangamya, having gone together or having gone close. Then there is Tada, Duryodhanas Tada. That is a Sandhi, Duryodhana Tada. Tada means in Hindi, Tab. Yada Jab, you might have heard Yada Yada Hi, that line. So Yada is Jab and Tada is Tab, then. So these were the points that I wanted to highlight. Tu, you can see tu, is similar to Hindi to. Okay. It is more of a grammatical feature just for emphasis. But at some places it is also used for as but, beauty in English. But it depends upon where it is placed and how it is used. So we can, if someone else wants to recite, please do so. Else we'll move to the next slide. Okay, can you please convert it to Hindi also? Okay, I'll try. पांडवों को एक सेना के रूप में खड़े देख तो दुर्योधन तब गए अपने आचार्य के पास और बोले, This is the meaning. So we can move to the next slide, I think.
Yeah. Anyone wants to recite it first? I think someone raised their hand.
Yeah, I think Neha.
Neha has hand raised from so long. It's okay. I
I
think
think
Ananya should continue.
Okay. पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता. O teacher, look at this grand army of the sons of Pandu, marshaled by the talent pupil, the son of Drupada. So Duryodhana is speaking to Drona after seeing the entire army of Pandavas. He's asking him to look at the army of the sons of Pandu, that is Pandavas. So anyone else want to recite it?
I would like to try.
Yeah.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता. Any mistakes that I might have made?
No, it's perfect.
Anyone else would like to recite? Arubi, would you like to? Okay, Ritik has raised his hand.
Ritik, I'll do the second one.
Okay.
पश्यतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपेद पुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
Correct. Drupada Putrena. So has to be there after Drupada and Putrena. In English, most people extend it to Drupada, but that is wrong. That would mean either mean multiple Drupads, that is in the Bahuvachanam, or it would not mean anything. The actual Sanskrit pronunciation would be Drupada because a is there at the end. Anyone else who would like to recite?
Arubi, you can.
Okay, I'll do a guided version.
Okay. Pashyetam
Pashyetam
Panduputranam
Panduputraram
Acharya
Acharya
Mahatim
Mahatim
Chamum
Chamum
Pashyetam Panduputranam
Pashyetam Panduputraram
Acharya Mahatim Chamum
Acharya Mahatim Chamum
Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum
Pashyetam Panduputraram Acharya Mahatim Chamum
Vyudham Drupada Tava Shishyena Dhimata Vyudham Drupada
Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tav Shishyena Dhimata. I think I got stuck at Drupada Putrena.
It's okay.
Okay.
Uh, Now we can do the complete thing once.
Okay.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
Okay. पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
Nice, that was good.
I followed you.
Okay, Ritik.
Yeah, I have a doubt regarding the Pandu Putranam word. Like, are
Yes.
we not supposed to say it in one go, or like can we take
Yeah,
a
we are
break in
supposed to
between?
say it in one go. Panduputranam. Actually, the whole thing should be said in one go with yati only at one place, I think. But it is better if the beginners kind of break it and say Panduputranam. It literally translates to of the
Sons of Pandu.
sons of Pandu. So whenever you see a Nam ending, Devanam, Panduputranam, Jananam, it means of Devanam, of the Devas. Uh, then there is Pandu Putranam, of the sons of Pandu. Jananam, of the people. Jana means people.
Okay, so how will we pronounce it in one go? Like
Like
Pandu
Pandu Putranam
Putranam.
Acharya.
Pandu Putranamacharya. You can either say this, or to make the pronunciation easier, we split that. That's the thing.
Okay, so Pandu
Pashyaitam
Putranama. Okay. Pandu
yeah,
Putranama Acharya. Like
yeah,
this.
exactly.
Pandu Putranam Acharya. That is
Yes.
how it goes. But
Okay,
since it is
thanks.
a pada, uh, pada refers to one word. So
Approximately.
yeah, approximately. So Pandu Putranam is one pada, one word.
Okay.
Acharya is a different word, different pada. So you can break it there. It's not that incorrect.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
Pandu Putranam, of the sons of Pandu, Acharya, respected teacher. So,
So anyone else would like to recite or ask anything? Okay. So Ananya, can you tell the grammatical structure of this sentence?
yes. Pashyaitam. Pashya and Etam. The meaning of Pashya is what sees. Am I right, Vignesh?
Yes. Pashya, you are commanding someone to see. Dekho. See.
Etam, this. Like, see this. Panduputranam Acharya. So, of the sons of Pandu, respected teacher. Mahatim, mighty. Chamum is the army. And Vyudham, arrangement in a military formation. Vyudham, sorry. Drupada Putrena, son of Drupada, that is Drishtadhyumna. Tava, by your, like Drishtadhyumna is the disciple of Dronacharya. So he's saying that he's Shishyena, disciple, Dhemata, intelligent. So he's like Duryodhana is saying to Drona that your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada, who is Drishtadyumna, he is the one who arranged the military in that form. So see that. Hope everything is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would like to make one or two comments here. The
Yeah.
word tava, you can see the word tava written here. Tava literally means your, tumhara. Okay. So you like when you introduce yourself in Sanskrit, you can say Mama Nama Vigneshah. That is, my name is Vigneshah. Tava nama kim. What is your name? So suppose I ask Ananya, Mama nama Vigneshah, Tava nama kim?
Mama nama Ananya.
This is how you can have a conversation. Mama means my. Tava means yours. Your. Nama literally is name and it is an avyam. We'll see what an avyam is. So it remains nama no matter where you use it. Kim means what? And Ananya and Vigneshah are names. My name and Ananya's name, obviously. So this is one observation. Another observation here is Putrena Shishyena. So Aham Hastena Jalam Pibami. Aham means I. Hastena, with the help of my hand. Jalam, water. Pibami, drink. I drink. So Hastena here, forget the rest of the words, and Hastena is by the help of my hand. Similarly, Drupada Putrena, by the putra of, by the son of Drupada. Shishyena, by the Shishya, by the student. So whenever you see a ena ending word, you can very easily figure it out that by that something is happening. He is the agent of doing something, or he is the instrument. This is literally called the instrumental case in linguistics. And Tritiya Vibhakti in Vyakaranam. So I think we can continue, Ananya.
Yeah. So we'll move on to the next shloka and will anyone
Yes.
recite it?
Can you recite it first? We'll follow.
Yeah. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधे युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः. Here are the heroes, mighty archers, equal in battle to Bhima and Arjuna, Yudhana, Virata, and Drupada, the masters of a great car, Maharathas. So technically, Maharathas means a warrior who is proficient, like who can single-handedly fight 1,000 archers. That's the meaning of Maharatha. So, will anyone recite it?
I would like to encourage others also. There are people, Raghava Raja, Sirisha, Sai Nayan, Neha. Please go ahead. Don't hesitate.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Sir.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमयुधि युयुधानो विराटाश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
Okay. That was nice. I think Raghav Raja doesn't know Devanagari script. So we'll try arranging the IAST script too, which is just, or Grantham, in case he knows Grantham, which is very similar to the Tamil script. So can I also recite it?
Yeah, please.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharathah. Did I make any mistakes?
No, it was perfect.
Okay. By the way, this is a question for people who have joined our previous sessions. What does the word atra mean? Ananya, not for you.
Okay.
Others?
Atra means here.
Yes. Atra means here. Yaha in Hindi. Here in English. Anyone else would like to recite? If no one would like to recite, I would like to try again.
Okay, let me
Okay.
afterwards. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः.
You're reciting the shlokas very well.
Thank you. Actually, I recite every day, so
Yeah, that's great.
yeah, Vignesh, you can.
Okay. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः. Ananya, can you tell the meaning? Yes. Neha, please.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रौपदश्च महारथा.
That was very nice.
So let's see the meaning now. Atra, here. Shura, it means powerful warriors. Maheshwasa, the great bowmen or the archers. Bhima Arjuna Sama, like equal to Bhima and Arjuna. Sama, equal. Bhima and Arjuna. Yudhi, in military prowess. Yuyudhano, Yuyudhana, Viratascha, Virata, Drupadascha, Drupada. So they are saying Yuyudhana, Virata, and Drupada are equal in military prowess to Bhima and Arjuna. They are Maharathas. I think the grammatical part, Viratascha and all, you should be explaining, Vignesh.
Okay. Um, I would actually like to first point out two things. You can see Viratascha, Drupadascha. So wherever you see the ashcha ending, it literally means and. So ashcha is not and, cha is and. But before cha, whenever there is a visarga, it becomes ashcha. So virataha cha becomes viratascha. Drupadaha cha becomes drupadascha. This is a very common thing you will notice in literature. It is saying and or that is in Hindi or and in English and. Also, I think that is all that I would like to say here.
Let's move ahead then. Or will anyone recite this?
Ankit, Sirisha, Sneha.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I give? Sorry.
Yes, Sirisha, you can go ahead.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटस्य द्रुपदस्य महारथः.
That was very good. So I think we can move to the next slide now.
Yeah. Shall I recite this, or will anyone try it out?
You should recite it first. This looks very tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशिराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च सैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः Drishtaketu, Chekitana, and the valiant king of Kashi, Purajit, and Kuntibhoja, and that eminent man, Shaibya. So 4, 5, 6 are actually connected. So the meaning may not make sense. So anyone would like to recite it?
Yeah.
Go on.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
You did very well. This was very scary.
Arubi, you can maybe try. Even Sai and Neha.
Yeah, try it. It's like if you divide them, it would be easy. Yeah, it would not look scary. Purujit Kuntibhojascha. So when you if you mix them, it looks scary, but it is not.
Actually, the first word itself is the opening of, a horror movie. Although the word is very, very pretty. I mean, the translation helps to know that there are 2 or 3 people interconnected in that big word. Please put,
Yeah.
I do it only if someone gives a follow along version, karaoke please kara do koi.
Okay.
I need a follow-on version too.
Okay, I'll do that. Drishtaketu
Dhrishtaketu
Chekitanah
Chekitanah
Drishtaketuhu Chekitanah.
दृष्टकेतुः चेकितानः
नहीं
दृष्टकेतुः
नहीं 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 शा है ना या शा नहीं है
No, I'm just making it
that
easy
is-
for.
simplified it for me.
हाँ देखो बोल रहे हो
Sandhi is being broken here.
She
Like,
simplified it for me.
I'm just
Padacheda is what is being taking place here.
संधि तब आएगा ना जब एक हाँ, मतलब 2-3 तोड़ के करोगे तो कंटिन्यूस कर सकते हो.
Yeah. काशीराजश्च
दोबारा काशी राजश्च
काशीराजश्च
काशी
काशी मतलब
राजश्च
यही काशी ना वाराणसी वाला काशी ना.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
तो साइड किंगडम से भी आए लड़ने के लिए.
Yeah.
सबका आर्मी गैदर करके.
Yes. We can continue with the recitation now.
Yeah. काशीराजश्च
काशी राजश्च
वीर्यवान्.
वीर्यवान्
Yeah. दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान्.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशी राजश्च
ये
वीर्यवान्
कंफ्यूजिंग एरिया है.
Yeah.
ट्रांजिशन नहीं होता तो.
पुरुजित.
Why she Tabhi she broke it off for me. She simplified.
Yeah.
पुरोजित
दृष्टकेतुः
कुंती
चेकितानः
भोजश्च. हाँ ठीक है.
पुरुजित
पुरुजित
कुंती
कुंती भोजश्च
कुंती भोजश्च
सैभ्यश्च
शैब्यश्च
नरपुङ्गवः.
नरपुङ्गवः
पुरुजित Kunti Bhojascha.
वही इंग्लिश में
कुंती भोज पुरुजित कुंती भोजश्च शव्यश्च
Shaibhyascha Narapungavaha.
Anan,
शैव्यश्च
can you mute yourself?
नरपुंगवः. Thank God. She was very patient with me. Very, very patient.
Okay, now try the full shloka. दृष्टकेतुश्चैकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्
फास्ट बोलोगे तो कोई
कुन्तिभोजश्च
बोलने जैसा लगता है, कोई हमसे बोल रहा है
सैभ्यश्च
बोल के।
नरपुंगवः.
उसका टोन ही ऐसा
Anan,
आना
can
चाहिए,
you
कोई
mute
बोल रहा
yourself?
है मुझे।
Yeah, please mute and discuss.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, Ananya, can you make me the host, meet host?
Yeah.
दृष्टकेतुः चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तीभोजश्च शव्यश्च
Shaibhyascha.
नरशैब्यश्च
Yeah. Shaibhyascha.
शैब्यश्च नरपुंगवः.
Yes.
Done. Thank God. Thank you, Ananya.
Oh, you're welcome.
Now I would also like to try.
Yeah, please.
धृष्टकेतुश्चैकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तीभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
Yeah, that's great. Does anyone else like to recite it?
And Vidhatri and Ananya, I think they did the singing version of it in the first go itself. The singing version of it.
I would like to try once again, since I made a one mistake at the end. धृष्टकेतुश्चकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तीभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
That's perfect.
Yeah, we
Anyone
can.
else would like to recite? Yeah, we'll move on then.
Yeah,
Shall I?
there is Ganesh and Sneha. Even Sirisha can try.
Can I try?
Yeah,
Sure,
go
of
ahead.
course.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजस्य शौभस्य नरपुङ्गवः. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's perfect.
A
but
few
it's-
comments on the grammar here. You can see Purujit Kunti Bhojascha and Shaibhyascha and Kashirajascha. So, as I explained before, the Ascha at the end signifies that there is and. Okay. Or Cha means and due to a sandhi, it has become Ascha with the previous Visarga. For those who do not know what a Visarga is, it is the aha sound, like in Kitanaha. So, as Aruvi says, yes, it was very pretty, the previous recitation. Yes, Neha, you can go ahead with the recitation.
दृष्टकेतुश्च केतानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तीभोजश्च शैवश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
That's great, and I would like to tell that it's Shaibhyascha. Shai, I, not Shay or Sha. It's Shaibhyascha. So let's go ahead. युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. Would anyone like to recite say the meaning?
Like read the English meaning.
Yeah.
The heroic Yudhamanyu and the brave Uttamaja, the son of Subhadra and the sons of Draupadi, all masters of great cars or Maharathas. So it is describing who all are here. It is naming one by one. First, we had in the previous verse Drishtaketu, we had Chekitana, we had the valiant kings of Kashi, Purujit, and Kunti Bhoja, and the eminent person, that is Shaibya. Now, in this verse, we discussed who all are here, that is Yudhamanyu, the brave Uttamaja, the son of Shubhadra, and then the sons of Draupadi. All of them are Maharathi. That is, they all come on a Maharatha.
Yeah. So anyone would like to recite it now?
Maybe Neha can go ahead next. Ankit can go. Sneha can do that.
Actually, this is my first time.
It's fine. It's fine. First, Neha, she had raised her hand. Okay, Ankit.
Actually, this is my first time. I have never heard any slokas. I will continue after 2 or 3 sessions.
Okay, sure.
It's fine.
Anyone else would like to recite?
Yeah, Ganesh, you can go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. Everyone was asking me for reciting all the else, but I will do it now. I was actually cut off because of some poor connection. Okay, let me do it. Yuddhamanushchaya sorry. Yuddhamananyu. Yudhyam. Okay. Let me finally. Yudhyamanyushcha. Yudhamanyush. Sorry.
Yudhamanyuscha.
Sorry. Yudhamanyushcha vikranta उत्तमौजश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथः.
Yeah, that's good. Would anyone else like to recite it?
Yes. It is already 8, so I think we can end the session now. Rest of the things we can do later.
Yeah.
So, anyone who would like to recite one last time? This is your chance.
Can I?
Yeah.
युधामनुश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेश्च सर्व एव महारथाः.
Okay, this was nice. You can improve in Draupadeyascha. Yes, I think Sirisha Kakani.
युधा मन्युश्च विक्रान्ता उत्तमोजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः.
That was very nice. So with this, I think we come to the end of our session with this beautiful final recitation. Ananya, we can stop the recording.